Welcome to InfoBurst. We are discussing Donald Trump's assassination attempt. Trump survives rally shooting. In a startling and tragic event on Saturday evening, former President Donald Trump was wounded during a campaign rally in Butler, Pennsylvania. The shocking incident is being investigated as an assassination attempt, creating ripples of fear and tension across the nation. The former president was mid-sentence addressing his supporters at the rally when multiple gunshots rang out at approximately 6:15 p.m. Trump, turning towards his right with his hands on the lectern, suddenly grabbed his ear and dropped to the ground. Secret Service agents immediately surrounded him, urging him to get down while more shots echoed through the venue. The scene quickly descended into chaos with loud screams and frantic rush for cover. As Trump lay on the ground, the Secret Service agents formed a protective shield around him about 45 seconds after the shooting began. An agent's voice was heard over the rally microphone confirming shooters down. This marked the end of the immediate threat, but the incident had already left a profound impact on the attendees and the nation. Viewers, the shooter, identified as Thomas Matthew Crooks, a 20-year-old man from Bethel Park, Pennsylvania, was positioned on a rooftop just outside the rally venue. Armed with an AR-15 style rifle, Crooks fired multiple shots towards the stage before being neutralized by a Secret Service sniper. Crooks were reportedly a registered Republican who had also made a small donation to a Democratic Political Action Committee at a young age. His motives for the attack remain unclear, and investigators are working tirelessly to uncover the reasons behind this horrifying act. Viewers, one rally attendee, Corey Comparator, a 50-year-old volunteer, fire chief from Server, Pennsylvania, was tragically killed in the shooting. Governor Josh Shapiro praised Comparator as a hero, noting that he died protecting his family from the hail of bullets. Two other attendees, 57-year-old David Dutch and 74-year-old James Copenhaver, were critically injured but are currently in stable condition. The rally was a significant event for Trump, who is set to receive the Republican Party formal nomination at the Republican National Convention in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, beginning on Monday. Despite the assassination attempt, Trump announced on his Truth Social platform that he would not alter his plans and would proceed to the convention as scheduled. President Joe Biden, speaking from Rehoboth Beach, Delaware, condemned the shooting as sick and emphasized the need for unity in the face of such violence. Biden, who later spoke on Trump by phone, urged Americans to avoid making assumptions about the shooter's motives or political affiliations until more information is available. The Secret Service faced immediate scrutiny following the incident, with some Trump supporters accusing the agency of failing to provide adequate security. However, Secret Service spokesperson Anthony Guglielmi refuted these claims, stating that the agency had recently enhanced protective sources for Trump's security details. The FBI is leading the investigation into shooting, collaborating with local and state law enforcement. Special Agent in charge Kevin Rojek confirmed that the shooter had been identified through DNA, but did not release additional details about the investigation or the shooter's motive. Rojek assured that public there is no ongoing threat and that the investigation is progressing. Viewers, Crooks, described by some as a quiet and built loner, had graduated from Bethel Park High School in 2022 and worked in a local nursing home kitchen. His father, Matthew Crooks, expressed disbelief and confusion over his son's action, stating that he was waiting to speak with law enforcement before committing further. In the aftermath of the shooting, the FBI discovered bomb-making materials in Crooks' vehicle near the rally site and at his home. The discovery has added another layer of complexity to the investigation, as authorities try to determine the extent of Crooks' planning and whether he acted alone. The incident has drawn comparisons to previous acts of political violence in the United States, including the 1981 attempted assassination of President Ronald Reagan and the 2011 shooting of Democratic Congresswoman Gabby Giffords. Viewers, the attack on Trump, however, stands out due to its occurrence at a highly publicized campaign rally and the immediate political implications. Political leaders from both parties have condemned the violence and expressed relief that Trump was not more seriously injured. House Speaker Mike Johnson and Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer both issued statements denouncing the act and calling for unity. In the days following the shooting, the atmosphere in Bethel Park has been one of the shock and disbelief. Residents like Wes Morgan expressed their amazement that someone from their quiet blue-collar community could be involved in such a high-profile and violent incident. The streets near Crooks' home remain under tight control as police continue their investigation. The tragic event has also reignited discussions about gun control and political violence in the United States. With the country deeply divided along political lines, the attempted assassination of a former president underscores the urgent need for a national conversation about civility, safety, and the future of American democracy. At the last, viewers, thank you for watching. Stay tuned to InfoBurst for the latest updates and in-depth coverage of this developing story. Remember, your voice matters. Let's use it to build a better, safer future for all.